Right, quiet please, quiet ladies and gentlemen. If you'd like to put your hands together, we have an announcement from the Marine Motoring Association. On behalf of the association, applaud him with standing ovation, Donald Campbell with his hydroplane. The year is 1955, on the 23rd day of July, and England holds this record once again. With authority we can certify, as the timing clocks they do not lie, is over 200 miles an hour, beating Stanley's Sayers time of 178.49. Yes, 202.32. Donald Campbell won his very first world water speed record in 1955 on Lake Holswater. That particular morning, he didn't want to get out of bed. He felt tired and tetchy and, to be honest, a bit fed up and depressed. And do you know why? Because his back was giving him hell. He'd damaged his back playing rugby and football back in the day, and then later on when he won the All Transa Cup on Lake Garda, there's a song about that somewhere, he hurt it again. So he was feeling a little bit sorry for himself. But he knew that he'd be letting people down. You know, you had the patrol boats, you had the official observers, you had the timekeepers, you had the team, and of course dear Leo. So he got in the car and he drove down to the boathouse. He got out, he stepped into his light blue silk overall suit, he picked up his linen helmet that was given to him by Neville Duke, the pilot, and he smoked a cigarette as he walked down the catwalk. I think he was rather glad he did get out of bed that day.